Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So please tell me I'm not the only one that struggles to get water in every day. Sometimes I just find regular water is just not my best friend and is just not working for me. So what I like to do is I actually like to get a little bit of a low calorie fruit juice, and then I actually just like to add a little bit of water to that. And I find that as soon as I put a little bit of juice in there, it makes it way easier to get in, way more palatable. And one of my favorites is pink grapefruit, just so you know. Okay, the other thing I like to do is we like to cut up some fruit. I mean, if you don't have grapefruit juice or if you don't have juice on hand, you can actually use real fruit. Who knew, right? Sometimes I also like cucumber. So like I feel really bougie if I put like cucumber and basil in the summertime, those kinds of things. In the summer, I'll do a bit more of a feature on some of the fun things we can add to our water from our garden. One of the other things I'm loving right now too is the Organica electrolytes. These are really great. This one here is actually electrolytes as well as enhanced collagen. So that's really fun. And this is a wild berry flavor. Delicious. Works out great. This is super fun. I actually really love these. We've taken them on vacation because they come in travel size, which is fantastic. Throw it in your purse. Take it with you anywhere you go. Add it to your water and you're set. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.